We're back from CES, and boy, did we bring home some goodies. You might remember the Typhur wireless thermometer, the InstaProbe they have. It's really beautiful, the LED screen. They now gave us their Typhur Sync. This is their dual wireless thermometer that works through your wireless in your house to give you great readouts wherever you are within your home. Let's open this up and see what comes inside, and we'll talk a little bit more about the technology. Okay, so inside here we've got a little sleeve to keep it safe, protected until it gets to your home. Inside the box here we have some manuals, instrument certification for calibration. That's really nice. And then a little power cord for recharging it later. Instead of battery, it is rechargeable, and it uses USB-C. So I'm guessing, come down here on the bottom. Nope, I'm guessing over here then. Oh, no, there we go. This right here is when you plug it into power. You just plug that bad boy there. You can plug that into a USB plug. Now it has a little kickstand there, as you can see right here. It allows it to stand at an angle, and then you can plug it into power. And then let's see if it's got any juice in it. It does have juice in it. See that beautiful screen there, already loading up. You can set your preference to Celsius, Fahrenheit. We're in America. Charging unit. Charging unplugged to start. Charging unplugged to start. So you got your two thermometers. Its current temperature is set at 68 degrees. So we can check that for a second. Boom, it's already counting up. That's impressive. You can see here we now have got both. That's great. All right, I'll leave these out for a second. And then on here, you can set your target temperature up and down depending on what you're going for. I personally prefer my temperature to be 35, confirm. And now we've got these readouts here that tells us our target, our ambient, and our internal temperature. And then after a period of time of the cooking, it's going to pop down here and it's going to let you know how much time is left remaining on cooking that item. You don't need any app, you don't need any additional stuff. You can just run that straight out of the device itself, carry that around, use it as you see fit. You can see here it's already got up to 92. And now with this one here, you can do the exact same thing. You can then edit, stop it. Really cool, really awesome device. Yeah, but seeing is believing. So like always, we got to take this bad boy and we're going to have to go plug this into some actual meat and actually cook ourselves up some tri-tip and see how well it does in action. We'll be right back. I personally really love more and more companies that get into this field that produce these great products, because this device is designed for the person cooking multiple dishes or preparing multiple meals. Say you have a family, that people don't like eating meat, some people don't like eating fish or chicken, and you have to cook 2 different dishes specifically around your needs for either guests, family, or the holidays. This is a great option for that. You've got 2 devices, wireless capabilities, and the ability to use this and set this up throughout your house. And that is a massive benefit for anybody who loves to cook. Well, hopefully you guys found this helpful. Pick one up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.